people are so much free to think about the extra affairs or the divorce case, the divorce things and all. They have the kind of the work that they do not like, and after that, and also in that work too, they are not like engaged with it. That they do not think about these things. The same lies with the female too. Yes, they are so much free to think about this all. That's why these all things are happening. So they also do something that they do not get these kind of problems in their life. So the interest, what should be there, that's not happening, and I think it should be committed before marriages that it will not happen, and we will be busy in the things.
You know what, this commitment or this words issue that we get to know after the marriage life. Why? Because nobody is teaching us what the commitment is in our family. Here in India, our parents are not teaching and giving this morals or this education to us. When somebody knocks the door and asks about your father, whether is your father at home or not, you just go to your father and say, somebody has come to call you. What should I say to him? Father makes a child lie. You just say to him, he is not here. Fine. So they are making the children lie. So this commitment issue will always be there. The honesty, this integrity, that is nowhere. Our parents are not also setting a right example there. So we don't know the value of these words in our childhood, but after the marriage, when we have somebody who is dependent upon us, not the dependent upon us, but we have generally responsibility of that person, we automatically get to know that time teaches you a lot. Fine. When you take almonds, it is not going to give you so much of freshness in your mind. By the time you just get hiccup and by the time you get kick up. So you have so much of experience to just share with others in your life. बादाम खाने से इतनी अकल नहीं आती जितनी ठोकर खाने से आती है. अगर बादाम खाने से अकल आती होती तो पंसारी की दुकान के चूहे साइंटिस्ट होते. So you know, by the time you start experiencing the things after having a person in your life, because you know what, when you get married or you don't get married, you always have a curiosity just to explore the another gender, right? Before the marriage means you are free because you don't give your words and your commitment, your words, these are not valued so much because it is not legal. When the things go legal and everybody accepted, our constitution that accepted, so you just have to live your life with full of your responsibility to make a decent society. Yeah.
So, Sir Ratan Tata, he get not married, but Ratan Tata, I love me special girls, but special girl, Ratan Tata love you. Ratan Tata, I promise you, he returned by India, he get married. But Ratan Tata, grandmother
Yes.
calling you, Ratan Tata was ill. But Ratan Tata, he returned India, and grandmother Ratan Tata returned to Spanish. But Ratan Tata calling you girls, he parents on other.
Okay. Her parents
On other-
got her married with any other girl. What he wants to say that Ratan Tata did not get married because he just used to love a girl and she got married to somebody else when he returned India. You know, before a marriage, you don't want to be committed with one person. By the time after the relationship of 1 year, 2 years, what you want to have, you got it. You want to leave that person, and it is biologically that is a fact because you're going to be bored one day. But when you get bored, you cannot leave a person after the marriage, and that's what make your relationship so much stronger. Because physical attraction, it should not be the only way when you're getting merged with any other person after getting married. You are getting married with anyone for the physical attraction. These marriages are not the last longer because the physical attraction that has to be faded one day. How much time? 10 years, 15 years after having a 2 babies or the 3 babies, you have so much of responsibility to earn money and just to settle down yourself in the career. So you are not a same guy as you used to be before 15 years, 10 years. right? You're not the same guys. Many things that changes. Life in the 25, life in the early 20s, and life after 35 or the 40. Fine. So that changes a lot in such a way. Like you need to accept the reality of your life, and there are different dimensions when you face after the marriage. Before marriage, a person who accepts everything. When she lies, accept it. When he just tells something better about you, you accept it. Because everything looks very fascinating. Like if she could not come on time, there is no issue. But after the marriage, like this small thing become very bigger. So you need to accept the small flaws of a person and appreciate him just to recorrect it and to correct it. And just life is a balancing. Fine. You need to balance which is not going in your favor, and you need to just come ahead when you are stronger with it. So marriage life that teaches you a lot. It teaches you to become a good man. Otherwise you won't be able to reveal about you, like how you should be with the girls and the decent human being, how you become after the marriage only. Responsible human being, or you people feel secure when you are there. Your existence that is making others secure. This is the big thing.
One more line I will add here, that it may be also the conclusion of the topic. Look, in the human's life, what I really feel like it's always a value exchange. Okay, whether it's a relation between mother and son or the father and son, or any of the marriage lifestyle. It's value exchange. You give us respect in the society, I will give you mobile phone. Okay, you give me attention, I will give you money. The things are like this going on everywhere. So I think if it's your decision that if you want the value from that person, or if you want to get married or not. Yes, because if you want to get married or live with someone, then yes, you will have to provide some of the value to that person, and then that person will also have to work for you to provide some of the values to you. Yes, so the value exchange is there. So always a human should work on their values that they can provide to your partner or the people around you. If you can do this, yes, relation will go further. If you cannot do this, stop doing this. You will be a boring person. Then yes, divorce will happen, and the things will happen like this. And also it will happen in your parents and daughters or sons' life. So the things are like this. So it's always value exchange. Keep working on your values. Then if you don't want to exchange the values or something like this, yes, be without the relations like Gautam Buddha did. Yes, so the things are like this.
Relation of a two person gave an opportunity to satisfy and you live and how to survive your relationship 2 or 3 months and more. But they does not satisfy.
They don't satisfy.
They don't satisfy each other together, and they know about together how to live your life, but they can survive your relationship, but they cannot survive your relationship. They leave it. This relationship.
Yes.
Today people are not responsible because nobody wants to
Nobody wants to
nobody wants to
commit it.
nobody wants to hear, and some both of them wants to speak.
Yes.
That's why fighting issues are very increases.
See, as he said, I just want to coming on a conclusion. What he said, everybody wants to speak and nobody wants to listen.
Yes.
As I always illustrate, God has given you 2 ears and 1 mouth. So whatever you speak, you just have to listen a double than you're speaking. But people, they don't want to listen. Even if they listen to reply. They don't listen to understand. One thing that comes in the form of understanding. If understanding is there, you already know what he or she feels. You understand. This understanding comes when you observe, when you listen, and you accept. the reality, and as a friend you would suggest that person, see, he or she needs to improve this and that about himself or herself. So this understanding, this is a basic thing in any relationship. No matter the looks, because the looks, as I said, fades while the time passes, and money that is earned, if both person they are sincerely working, and they should have to do this because the time is different now, and understanding, this is a big thing. If you have understanding, you'll be committed to that person, but you also need to have strong morals. You also need to be man of your words. What you said, what you committed, you're not going to get away from your promises and your words you gave to another person, right? When like you have given your words, you're going to stick with that person no matter what the conditions are, and any difficult situation you'll be there for he and she. So this is the thing we need to have as a base in our relationship. Whatever the relationship you have before the marriage or after the marriage you don't have option to get away from this relationship anytime you want, because this is the legal procedure and it is legally accepted. And if like this procedure of getting a divorce, it is so long and lot of energy, time, efforts which are involved in that. So you must not get into any relationship when you are not ready and before getting married. So this is the best opportunity to understand the opposite gender with whom you're going to get married. So this bachelor life is very decent. It looks very decent because no responsibility, money in your pocket, going anywhere, and having multiple girlfriends that makes you dude, right? In the school life and college life, what you have extra? In school life and college life, besides the study, this fun factor, this entertainment factor is more in your life. So to look rich and to just make your impression among others, but after that your impression fades, which you are making having no base. Your impression that is made automatically when you are happy and you're making others happy. So am I, so are you. Everybody is in the same business of putting a smile on the people's faces. After the marriage, if with you another person who is come, he or she is happy and other dependents are always happy with you. So this is just a heaven on the earth for you.